Let's fix too many threads launched error. First step is to open up the settings, search for apps, click on apps, then click on app management. Here search for your app, threads, click on it. There will be an option for force stop. Click on it. After this, click on storage usage and click on clear data. Restart your phone and try opening your app again. This may will help. If not, what you can do next is try updating your app. Go to Play Store or App Store. Search for threads. Click on it. If there is an update, please update it. After this, search for Instagram on the Play Store or App Store. Also, if there is any update, update your app. After this, try again. If this doesn't work, try closing all the background applications which you may have been opened. You just simply swipe it from the home tab. After that, if it's still broken, all you can do is wait. This may be a server glitch which Meta may resolve soon. Still, what you can do is go to the Threads app, click on your profile, click on these two lines, scroll down, go to help, report a problem. It will ask you to go back and check your phone. You need to do that. There will be an option for report a problem. All you need to do is follow the steps, report whatever your problem is. If you have any photograph, you can also attach it over here. Thanks for watching. If this helps, please like, share and subscribe.